Good evening. Tuesday now. This is the view from the room. Rain. And just took a shower, and now we're going to have a little bit of room service that you guys all been waiting for. Homemade carrot cake. Super fire. Craig's getting this first time ever. I have no idea what it is. French fries. Fruit tart. And a burger.
My pizza is a fig and blue cheese flatbread.
There you go. Fig something, yada yada.
Hey!
See? Actual room service. Look at the burger, actual silverware. I mean, those little things I was just pointing out, but how is it, Craig?
Oh, it's so yummy.
Did you just salt bay it?
I Parmesan bayed it. We've been in the room working, so we haven't left. We missed turn down. We missed main service.
And we honestly, every time we have a room, we usually never have it cleaned the whole stay because
we're in it.
We're
out of it late.
It's just kind of a waste of services, to be honest.
So we ran out of all of the papers. We're running out of shampoo because we've been here several days. So I just asked them to bring some up. They brought 2 boxes of tissue,
Look
2
at
toilet
this.
paper. Look at this bag of toiletries they brought me.
Like everything.
And they brought me another bag.
There's tons.
And they brought me another bag with 6 waters.
Like, all right, the service here is just wild, bro.
Can't compare.
Nope. So it's like 11 o'clock at night. First time being out all day because we're working in the room the whole day. And it's Tuesday and it's cracking. So we're going to the Serrano Vista Cafe. And then tomorrow we'll be eating at the Pines, which is their high-end steakhouse. That means we have eaten at almost every food restaurant they have here on this visit. Bam, bam, pajama. How was that?
Fantastic service as always.
As always, I don't get it. She was so nice. I didn't want to interrupt the interaction by recording, but like it was genuinely, she was really, really nice. So this is the beverage menu. Ooh. Green Express smoothies. That's interesting. I've never really seen that. Those house-made sodas. I'm about to get that, Craig. Was it the pineapple?
Loco.
I'm looking at the liquids.
Holiday turkey sandwich.
Shareables. Because we went to the one at the Palms. Is this the same name? Yeah, isn't it? I think it's the same thing. The menu looks way different.
This one is the Victoria.
Well, they got a turkey dinner. Chicken pozole? Fire. Love. Can I have your pineapple soda? Yes, please.
I'll have one of those as well. And a water.
4 straws. Water. The house-made pina. Fire. Gas. Ready, Craig? Go. You can drink now. Go. It's legal, bro. Look at that. Aesthetics.
Get it from this angle.
No, I got Craig in the background. I got the Bokeh effect. Look it up. Google.
Oh, Lord.
This is their side salad with a wrench. What's that yellow thingy?
That's a tomato. They're heirloom tomatoes.
What's
they
a
have different
tomato?
flavors.
Is it a fruit or vegetable?
Good question. I don't know.
This is the garlic bread. That looks so yummy in the tummy, but for lactose intolerant, bad, and it's bad. It's bad.
I think I have lactate.
Lactate. Bread. Sauce. Okay, so on the soda, I kept drinking it, the pineapple, and it has like a ginger back end, which reminded me of the California roll that we ate at the buffet yesterday. I swear. And Craig was like, "Dude, you're tripping." Right?
It's probably just ginger soda.
It's good. I like that. So I'm just warning you. You may not. If you don't like ginger, then probably not.
The one in the lobby had more juice.
Yeah, the one in the lobby was more juicy.
It's gnocchi, butternut squash
It's
gnocchi.
milky
Yeah.
or yoki.
Gnocchi,
Gnocchi.
butternut squash. It has a brown butter on it and broccolini in it.
Brown gravy or brown water?
It's like a brown butter.
Oh, cool. I got the salad and the chicken. Fire. So I'm trying another one now. The almond roast.
Looks like it has almond milk.
It looks fancy. Damage report. Create half, and that's going away. Now what are we gonna do, Craig?
We're gonna go gambling.
Well, I guess that's the vlog for today. We'll see. I'll try to get some shots of other things today. A little walk around.
Yeah.
Okay, she came and brought not only a nice super bag, which I'm impressed, but the utensils. That's one of the biggest things when you're staying here. You know, you need utensils to eat it later. Just
you're in the
saying.
room.
Other hotels, keep up, bro. So, Brianna. Soda, bread. Yep, everything is there. So that's the thumbnail. Or you have the second floor. They also have a little lounge area. So right when you come to the elevator, you have a private area for being a hotel guest to sit down, relax. If you don't want to sit in the casino, you know, on the chairs, or if it's fully taken, you have area to chill in. So right now I'm waiting for Craig. She's upstairs doing swapping some things out, but this is nice. You get to relax. So casinos are always notorious for giving something away. Well, this is probably one of the coolest and best ones I've ever seen. Look at this. Enter the Dragon. Signed from Bruce Lee. There's a reflection, but man, that's crazy. Nunchucks. Pines, Craze outfit. All the camera gear ready. So it's a continuation, but this is the next day, and all day we've been working in the room. This is the first time out, going to the Pines. So it's gonna be a double cafe mix with Pines. Pines. We're at the Pines. This stuff's looking super fancy. Look at this. It is elegant.
He was like, sure. He was all friendly. I'm like, he was probably winning. But then we just saw him sending it on
Dollar store.
and then he left.
I didn't even look up. Like, this ambiance is insane.
He loves lights.
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
Did you guys get a lot of free play this time?
Compliments of the chef. What is it, Kurt?
I didn't hear.
Did they say they have great coupon for us?
Stop it.
Salmon creme fresh.
Oh. Are you gonna eat it? Go.
Of course I'm going to eat it.
Is it light?
It's good. Got a little potato. Crisp. A little crisp.
Bread.
This is Bro Slots, aka Angelo, and Christy.
Lemon drop.
You and Sam will be
Dirty
ahead of the
lemon.
house today.
It is nice.
is what I wanted.
Going crazy with it. How's it, Chris?
It's good.
At Yaamava.
The blue cheese was really the standout for this one for me.
How'd you like the breads?
All the breads were good. I tried all the different ones.
Which
There's
one's
sweet
your
ones
favorite?
and regular.
There's like some with like raisins, not craisins.
That's sweeter. I like this one better.
Cranberry, that's what it is. I'm not craisins. What am I talking about?
I usually don't like sweet breads, but I like that,
That one was good. Yeah.
These came out so good. Oh my god.
Hurry, favorites.
I want another run like that. You understand? So we can't catch no run.
Let's all say hi. Hi, I'm Samantha.
Pass it around.
Hi, I'm Yvette.
Pass it to that.
Hi, I'm the senior in the group. I'm Debbie.
Cray here.
You already know. There you go.
Aries slots.
I have that Bernaise and truffle.
That's amazing.
That looks crazy. Everyone needs to join in.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Enjoy.
See that burger?
This good.
Wow.
That smoke. That was.
I'm gonna have to order one of those sometime.
Try it.
I've never gotten.
This looks insane.
Made a mistake not ordering that. That looks awesome. And I was teasing him for ordering a Wagyu burger. Now I got shut up.
I don't think you understand how big this is. Like,
I ate my food
It's the
that
thickest
I ordered like 2 days
patty
ago
ever.
for
Look.
lunch today. I was like, you're just gonna eat this. It was just like one.
palate cleanser.
Thank you.
Ooh.
I'm gonna just like.
Like an oyster. Just
Yeah, very oyster. What an oyster themed night.
Go ahead, Cray.
it's a palate.
That was really good.
What it tastes like?
The lemon is forward, but it's very fresh.
Better than how it used to be.
Like,
That's interesting.
It definitely it tastes like sorbet, but it's a little bit thinner.
Watery.
And then your macarons, you have
these little gold
the,
flakes.
pistachio, gold flakes, yes,
Wow.
the red velvet cheesecake, and then caramel apple.
And there goes the content provider.
And you got the chocolate somewhere. Wow.
That ganache looks really good.
So we're gonna
Hazelnut
take
on
a bite
top.
of everything. I like the red velvet.
Aries helping. Thank you. It is.
Yeah, it's
It's the melted chocolate and some nuts on the outside. It's really
Oh.
good.
To do it.
It's very yummy.
That was our Christmas present. It was.
Wow.
Like I like cycling because I can go back
Very
2 months.
It's the gratuity on that.
How is gratuity more than the check?
literally.
All right, that was our dinner. Very, very expensive, but very, very good. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at the decor. Wow.
Okay, I was right. I'm like, I have you bet in my head, but she doesn't look like that.
Yaamava, man. Coming through. And then next you know, you're right back into it. You wouldn't even think that you could just separated from the casino.
That was amazing. We'd definitely go there again.
Yeah, I liked it too.
The filet was really.
It didn't even feel like we were in a casino. It's so weird, like separated the worlds.
And the yeah, I was about to say the sand barrier. The
Big
sound
difference.
barrier.
That's gonna wrap up today and yesterday in one video. 2 restaurants, different spectrums, but we're like I think 1 or 2 restaurants away from eating everything that this place has to offer. So good here. I mean, look at the decor. I mean, even going over here, it's just gorgeous.